One punctured tire can turn into a four-tire conversation on an all-wheel drive car. That is not automatically a tire shop scam, but it is not automatically necessary either. The missing measurement is rolling circumference.
Two tires can both say 225/60 R17 and still travel different distances per revolution. A new tire has deeper tread. A worn tire has a slightly smaller effective diameter.
Brand, model, construction, pressure, and load can change the real rolling circumference too. On an all-wheel drive system, the front and rear axles are connected through a center differential, clutch pack, transfer unit, or another torque management device.
During a turn, wheel speeds should differ briefly. But if one tire is always effectively smaller, that wheel must rotate faster on every straight road. The drivetrain may interpret the difference as slip or continuously work to absorb it. Some vehicles warn the driver, others can build heat and wear over time. The vehicle's own manual is the authority because allowed mismatch varies.
Subaru manuals, for example, warn that tires of different diameters can trigger the all-wheel drive warning, and that continued driving can damage the powertrain. Other manufacturers publish their own tread depth or circumference guidance. Here is the shop conversation.
Measure tread depth at several points on all four tires, not only the damaged one. Confirm all four are the same specified size and compatible type. Check pressure before comparing circumference.
Then look up the manufacturer's allowable difference for that exact model and drivetrain. Suppose the three surviving tires measure 6 30-seconds of tread, and the matching new tire begins at 10 30-seconds.
If the manufacturer's limit is tighter than that difference, simply installing the new tire may be outside specification.
Depending on the vehicle and tire availability, options can include replacing a matched set, replacing an axle pair where permitted, or having a new matching tire professionally shaved to the appropriate tread depth. Shaving sacrifices some new tire life, but can preserve a matched set. Do not improvise by mixing a random used tire with similar-looking tread. Its internal construction, age, repairs, and actual circumference may differ. And do not assume the temporary spare can be driven indefinitely. Many all-wheel drive manuals restrict its use. The right answer is vehicle-specific, but the reasoning is simple. Match more than the number molded into the sidewall.
Measure the tires that are actually on the car, compare them with the manufacturer's tolerance, and make the replacement decision from rolling distance rather than appearance.